mind all night and day. I watch you like you're on my wrist. Come over, I need you right away. I've never really spun like this. Creeping through my mind all night and day. I watch you like you're on my wrist. Come over, I need you right away. I know it's a lot to take in, but there's something here if I'm not mistaken. Usual feeling is less than impressed. I'm scared just to ask you if you're not taking. I need everything in front of me. I'll breathe to give you what you want from me. A little bit of time now we get so true. That little bit of time I wanna spend with you. I know you're right for me. I know, don't lie from me. You got good energy, so don't waste it away now, mama. Never really spun like
I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Today I am in my cooking lab. I am going to do some barbecue spare ribs in my oven today. So I'm going to dissect this pork ribs and season it up and get it into the oven. So cut this down the seam, and I'm going to season it up and cook it in my turkey pan. You're watching. I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Yes, I'm going to make my own barbecue dressing. Yes. For my pork rib today. And you'll see this on there. I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so now I'm just going to season up the pork ribs. Alright, the first thing I'm going to put some all-purpose seasoning. Yes, so the oven today will do all the cooking for this meat. Yes, this meat will be done in the oven, not on the stove. This is an all-purpose season, so which means this has everything in it. Every possible season you can think of, this season has it, including salt. So I won't need to put any additional salt. Alright, so now I'm going to add add Maggi. Yes, Maggi. Seasoning. It's all about the taste. It's all about the spices. Yes, the spices give the taste. The more tastier the food, the more tastier the meat, the more enjoyable it will be. You're watching I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Alright, so when I'm finished with these, I go straight in my turkey cooking pan. Yes. Alright, so now I'm going to add some garlic powder. Garlic powder. Garlic powder is very essential. And for taste. And now I'm going to add some onion powder. Last, I'm going to put some curry on it just to give it some texture and some taste and flavor. Yes. Curry can go into just about everything. You just have to know how to cook. Alright. Remember, it's all about taste. That's the objective that you're trying to achieve. Alright, so last I'm going to put some black pepper. Alright, I'm going to add some black pepper in here. Alright, let's see. I'm going to pour some ketchup in here. Yes, because I'm only going to do this once. So now, I'm also going to put some tomatoes in here. Yes, some tomatoes. And some garlic. Some fresh garlic. Alright. And I'm going to add some onion. Now I'm going to marinate them. You're watching I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so these are basically ready. Alright, so now I'm going to place these inside cooking vessel. Alright, I'm going to place these in my cooking vessel. just going to put a little bit of olive oil in here because the pork ribs has a lot of fat in it, and so I will get, matter of fact, I'm not going to put any oil. I'm just going to put it in the oven just like that, and the oven will take care of the fat. I'm going to cover it up so it can steam a little bit just to loosen up the fat, and then after a while, then I will remove the cover and let it continue to cook. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm going to add some pimento seeds. in here. Still for pimento seeds. Alright, my friends, so this pork ribs is ready for the oven, and here are the remaining ingredients. I have some bell peppers here, some garlic and hot pepper and spices, herbal spices, a little bit of onions and some potatoes. Yes, these will be cooked inside of the pork ribs here today. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright. Here's my pork ribs. Alright, so now I'm going to put it in the oven. And I'm going to put the covering over it. Turn these around. All that liquid you see in here, that is from the meat. I didn't put anything in there. None whatsoever. That is from the meat itself. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Back in, let it continue to cook. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Alright, I'm going to put some liquid, yes, some beef broth, put some water, and cook. Watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Alright, so in a few minutes I'm going to add some potatoes in here, and I'm going to finish adding the rest of my ingredients. And that is it. That will be it. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube.
I've been waiting on someone like you so long. Never realized that I could fall in love. So baby, listen a commitment. Never knew that I would ever be so wrong. Checking out the ratchet girls in the beanies, staring at the cut jeans, shorts and bikinis. I don't even care now. I was unaware how you could give me everything I need and want.
Alright, my friends.
Finally made my mind up. Girl, you got me tired. We never use a cruise control.
Potatoes in here.
Wait until the sun goes down. When we gonna lose control? I'm chilling with my baby. Wait until the stars come out. But when the summer is almost over, the weather is getting colder. I know I'll still love you
everything in? Yes, everything in right now. Everything's going in. These are Irish potatoes. These are Idaho. Yes, these are shaped very different than Idaho are easily identified. Alright, so now I'm going to put the rest of my onions in here. So I already put some in it. And a little bit of tomatoes that I have. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Alright, I'm going to add some thyme. Some thyme in here. Cloves in. Right. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Last but not least, I'm going to put my bell peppers in. Just going to put my bell peppers in, wrapping it up. Just wrapping it up. Bell peppers go in. Bell peppers go in. Alright, now I'm going to add some liquid in here. Alright, I'm going to put this hot pepper in here. That's some hot Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper in here. Right. So that is it. Alright, so now I'm going to cover this back up and allow it, yes, to cook. And then I'm taking it out. You're watching I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Stir this up a bit. You're watching I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. Alright, so I want to stir this up. That is not oil, that is a lot of liquid. There's oil in there from the meat, but yes, it's a lot of liquid. Yes. Alright, so then next I take the cover off. Alright, this pork ribs will be ready to go. You're watching I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. You're watching I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Okay, my friends. Alright. The shear out. Come to the end of the journey, so now I'm doing some shear out. Alright. Some shear out. Alright, this plate is my plate. this is for sauce, as I call it. You're watching I am Winston GeL Cooking BBQ on YouTube. So this is it. Barbecue pork ribs. Very tender, very juicy, and looking and taste delicious. Yes, I taste it. Tastes delicious and looking very delicious. And you're watching I am Winston GeL Cooking.